Good day guys, Bing here. Today we're going to try this one. We're going to use pattern-based family for this because you can see this hexagon kind of hexagon pattern in this. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a pattern based. So we're going to use generic model pattern based. Okay, so so first we select this grid tile pattern grids, change this one to hexagon. Okay, so hexagon, and then you can, so this is optional, so you can adjust this, so you can make this look more like these, right? So you can adjust. Not sure which ones let's just guess. Okay, so maybe so you can adjust this a little bit. Okay, so now you can see there's like a void. How should we do this? We can use surface. So okay, so maybe I think we can just connect these two, use spline through points, and these two, this one and this one, another spline through points, make reference line, and then we can use maybe just place point, use draw on face, place onto the midpoint. Okay, so let's select these 2 points and then change this one, show reference planes to always, and then also untick this show normal reference planes, show normal reference plane only. Okay, so now you can see, so we're going to place point on, use draw on world plane, set world plane, pick the horizontal world plane, so tab and place onto this point. So you should see this warning. Okay, so click OK, and to another one, set world plane, tab and place, and OK. So now select the point, the bigger one, and then you can see it's so we can just drag this up, so it's a positive offset, the same. So we can select both of them. So if you want to, you can add a parameter for this. Okay, so you can just maybe let's just do it. So I'll just call the OFS instance, and OK and OK. So now if you want these 2 points to offset the other direction, so you don't need to make this negative. You can just select these 2 points and rotate them by 180 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to create all the edges. So okay, so for example, this one, spline through points, and the Control Z, and this spline through points, and this one and this one, spline through points. Okay, so what's going on here? So did I just accidentally probably moved? So make it back to 700. Yeah, good. This one, yeah, oh good. So something's not quite right because that's a warning there. Oh, that's fine. So let's just leave it. Okay, so you can see now we have this 1, 2, 3 reference lines. If you select this one, Control select this and this, I think we can create a surface. So let's click on this, pick the one on the right. So now you can see this is the surface we can create, but this edge. So I think we probably don't want to see so this line, because these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 points are supposed to be in one plane. Okay, so that's fine. Maybe let's just Control Z. So instead of 1 2 3 1 2 3, we can create them separately. So let's just place another spline through points between these two, and also another one spline through points. Okay, and then we can, so 1 2 3 and 4 if we do it this way, so there's no line between them, so it's a flat surface. So then let's continue 1 2 and 3, another one. So this one, pick the one on the right, so to create a surface. So the one on the left is a solid. But if you accidentally pick the one, it's on my other screen, so if you accidentally pick the one on the left, so you can just directly press delete on your keyboard. So it will delete that top surface and also delete the side. So you'll only have one surface left. Okay, so and then let's just do another one here. 1 2 spline through points. 1 2 spline through points. Okay, and then let's do the same. 1 2 so we need 3, and create a form, the one on the right. 1 2 tab select, tab Control select, create a form. Okay, so tab select, and Control select, so create another one, the one on the right. So now these are the surface. Okay, so these are the surface we need. Okay, so the next step is we're going to let's just do a conceptual mass. Okay, so in this conceptual mass, I'm going to just draw some lines. Maybe I'll just do a something like that. So I'll just make a big one. So you can, because usually mass is very big, and also this one's quite big. It's 1.5 times 3, roughly 3 meter. So it's very quite big. So okay, I'll just do a quite big frame. Okay, so maybe I'll just delete one of these. So let's check the dimension. So maybe I'll just make it 10 meter. Oh, that's 100. And then do this one the same, 10. And I'll use offset, OF, offset. Offset, let's make it 2 meter. Okay, so, and the tab. Okay, so now we have this, and then we can just close it. Use another reference line from here to here, here to here. So now we have this closed. Okay, so hang on, it's not automatically pick the whole thing. So it's probably because the reference plane. So you can see, so this 1 2 3, the reference plane. So the current work plane of this these 3 reference line is this level. So same, this 1 2 3 level, and then these 2 we create after that, after this reference line. So they are placed onto reference line. I'm not sure which reference line, but we can select them and go set work plane and change it to level. So now all these oh, hang on, sorry, wrong one. So select these 2. So instead of go there, so here, and change this one to level 1. So now you can see we can select all these reference lines just by move hover your cursor onto one of these edge. Okay, so one of these reference lines. Okay, so now we can create a form. And okay, so there are 2 options. So the options are on my other screen. So the one on the left is solid, the one on the right is surface. So I'm going to pick the one on the right. So hang on, this is not right, because if we do it this way, so if we do it as one element, one surface, and then when we use divided surface, so it will be 1, right? So and when we change this one to, for example, hexagon, so no, this is not what we need. So we want, so you can see this pattern, so go this vertical, and the top one going horizontal, right? So we need to, let's delete, so first delete the divided surface, and then also let's just dissolve this surface. So we need to add a couple of lines, reference line, draw on world plan. Let's just set world plan onto the level 1 and start from here to here and another one here to here. So now we can select these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and create a form, the one on the right, and again this 1, 2, 3, 4, create another one, so the option on the right hand side, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yeah, so still the options on my on the screen, so the one on the right to create a surface. Now we can select this, create divided surface, and use the hexagon. Okay, so now you can see it's very close to what we have here. So you can change the, so you can still change the number, change the grids number. So I'm not sure which one. Let's try 5. Yeah. Oh hell, no, wrong one. Sorry. Go this 5. So you can see reduce. You can reduce the number. So if I type 4, yeah. So I think this is two whole pattern, right? So let's have a look. Oh, that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Oops, sorry, wrong one. Click on the wrong Revit. So this will take some time to open another one. So that I think that's Revit 2023. Anyway, so let's just continue this. Maybe change this one to 6, so to have 3 whole grid. Okay, whole pattern. Okay, so let me just I'll just leave it. Okay, so let's go to this one as well, to divided surface. Oh, hang on. This one's, why the pattern on this one's not, oh, I think it's probably because it's trying to align with this edge. Yeah, I'm not sure how we can, because there's no option, so we can rotate manually. Because, so for this one, it's quite easy because we know that this is 45 degrees, so we can just type in 45. But sometimes it can be tricky because when we have some irregular, angles. Anyway, so let's just change this one to divided here to the hexagon, right? So maybe change to 45 degree, negative 45. Okay, so once again, we just give one of these number, just change it to 6. Wrong one, sorry. This one to 6. Yeah, so to match that one. So okay, so let's do this one, divided surface. Oh, again, so you can see it's trying to align with this edge. Anyway, so that's fine. Still 45 degree. Okay, so change to hexagon, negative 45. And one of these 6, wrong one. Okay, so this is it. So actually you can see the it's not matching, but it's matching here. So maybe we can adjust the number on this direction on the V grid. I'll try 11. Okay, now try 9. Still not quite right. 8, 7, maybe at 12, 13, no, 14. Yeah, close 15. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like it's very hard. I'll change it back to 10. So, or maybe we can try. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's no difference. Okay, so I think I'll just leave this one to you. So how we can, so you can see it's perfectly matching here, but not here. So this must be a way to to make it perfect. But anyway, so now let's load this one. I'll load this one into this conceptual mass, and then select them and change to this. Okay, so this is quite a bit weird because the relative to the size of these, the offset is too big. So what we can do is we can select one of them. I think, we did that offset. Where is it? Hang on, let me just go back. So select the point, I'll check the offset number. So this one, we didn't. Hang on. So yeah, be careful. So you can see when I try to create an offset parameter, I accidentally click on this. Sorry about that. So we just need to delete it. Okay, so let's delete this because it's a wrong type. It's a yes/no parameter. So we need a length. Okay, so click OK. So now let's go select these 2 points again. Click on this and create offset. Okay, so click OK and all good. Now, hang on. Which one did I? Instance. That's fine. Let's try. Load this back. Overwrite. Select one of them. So 700. Let's type 200, for example. Okay. So looks like it will only. Okay. So this is different to repeater with sorry, what's that? Adaptive family. So when we use adaptive family with repeater, and even its instance parameter, it will change all of them within that repeater. But for this one, because this is a pattern-based family, so it's slightly different to adaptive family. So you can change individual ones. So you can so if you tab select one and change this, it won't affect any other pattern-based family. Okay, so you can select all SA and then type in a number. Okay, so I think another option is you can go back and change this instance parameter to a type parameter. So now let's have a look. If I load this one back, overwrite, and then select this edit type. Because this now is a type parameter, you don't need to tab select one and edit type. So you can do that. Looks like you can do this. You can directly pick this divided surface. Okay, so edit type. So you will still see this offset parameter. So let's just type 200. So this will change all. Okay, because this is a type parameter. Okay, so I think this is about it. Sorry, let's close it. And yeah, you probably, because they are only the surface, the top surface, you might need to add some surface on the side. I think you can probably just what I will do is I'll just select all these reference lines. So usually we can't copy because these reference lines are placed onto the level. Sorry, my mouse is going crazy. So usually because these reference lines are placed on this level, you won't be able to. So if I CC, you can see it won't, but you can press Shift to just force Revit to copy this reference line, and this reference line will not be associated to any work plan. Okay, so you can press Shift when copying. So now with this, you can just select two, so you can create a surface between. So where's my option? It's not on my other screen. So usually when you use two lines to create a surface, you will have three options. One is a revolve, so one So you can see this is the axis line, this is the profile. So this is one option, and the second option will be this is a axis line, this is a profile. So it will be revolve like doing this. And the last options, the one on the right, will be create a surface between these two. But because I can't find my, it's not on my other screen. I can't find the option, so I can't really change the option. So I can only create something like this. But yeah, so yeah, it's a little bit tricky. So yeah, what can we do? So if I create a surface, I can only pick the first option. So anyway, so if this happens, maybe we can create a reference line. I'm not sure. Maybe try 3D stepping. Maybe I'll pick it here to. No, it doesn't work. Maybe here. So because you draw on work plan. So let's use draw on face with 3D stepping. So I think we can probably create something like that, and then with one here. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. We should be able to create. Once again, there's no option for me. So by default, it will create a solid. So I'm just going to click anywhere here, and directly click press the delete on my keyboard. So now at least we have a surface here. Okay, so yeah, that's what we can do. Or actually, you can also use point. So sometimes you can place point, and then you can connect them. Use draw spline through points, and this will be the same. Okay, so you can still 1 and 2. Here 1 tab, control select, tab, control select, tab, control select. So click anywhere and delete. So yeah, that's surface on the side, right? So I think that's it. So I'll try one more time. Hang on, maybe I'll try this one. So if I select all, create a form, no, doesn't work. Maybe I'll try select one here, and then select another one here, create a form. Okay, so this time I can see the 3 options on my other screen. So this is the first option, so you can see a revolve. This is the second option, so that this is another revolve, and this is the third option. The one on the right is to create a surface between these 2 lines. Okay, so yep, I think this is it. And eventually you will be able to create something like this. And also for materials, you just need to go back to this, select this surface, and you can apply material here. Okay, so you can create a material directly, or you can just create a material parameter. And maybe just use type parameter and load it back, override, and then you can select it, edit type. So now you can see this is a material. You can change it. So for example, I'll just create a new material. The menu is on my other screen, so that's fine. I'll just call it a default new material. So maybe I'll change it to, for example, a red. Okay, so and I'll change graphics to match the appearance. Click OK. Click OK. Yeah, so that's a material. So this is it. This is very simple. I don't think. Try it yourself. Try to model this one yourself. I think it's quite simple. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you next time. Thank you.